I had an awesome trip to Old Glory. Today, I'm going to be going through all the stuff I got while I was there. So the first thing I got were 4 of these cat pictures. Now, these ones were only $4 each, which is insane. They did have a little bit of the damage to the faces of them. As you can see, there are that like 3D effect ones, and the frames are in really good condition. They're signed by D. Merlin. They're really hard to find in good condition. Even though these have damage, I would still consider these on the better end of condition. And it's only got that one little hole. Normally these have like holes all over the place and are all scratched up and faded, but for $4 these were a steal. I think I'll easily be able to sell them for $17-18 a piece. These were the real find though. I paid $7.50 for them each, but I've never seen them in such perfect condition. I mean, they're completely pristine, so I was happy to do so. Totally awesome. I especially love the contrasting colors of the blue bow with the kind of tangerine orange flower. Very cool. Next up, I got the rooster napkin holder. I thought this one was really fun. It's made in Japan. A lot of the rooster and chicken stuff for the kitchen made in Japan is super collectible and sells pretty well. I stopped picking a lot of it up just because I do find it on the more common side, and some of it's not as kitschy as I like. However, I really liked the price for one. This one was only $6.50, and I really liked that it was double-sided and that it says napkins on the back side of each rooster as well. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to keep this. I don't really need it though. I think it's so cool. It's a hobbyist piece. I've only had one once before. I've only ever seen one once before. I paid $7.50 for it. I think it's just like the neatest shape ever, and I love the opening at the top. It's a really nice piece of pottery. I think I'm gonna end up selling it for about $29, and this will be one of those things that just will never go on sale in my shop because it is so unique and it's just so versatile. I kind of feel like the fact that it's vintage is really elevating it because, you know, I mean, people are buying stuff like this at Target and stuff like that right now, but the fact that this one's like unique and handmade and older just really makes it even cooler as far as I'm concerned. Super special piece, and if no one buys it, which I'm pretty sure it will go quickly, I will happily keep it. Next up, I got the little fuzzy ceramic cat trinket box. This one was kind of a fun one. I think it might be Taiwan, actually. It looks like it might be a little bit on the newer side because of that white cat, but it's really hard to find. I've never seen one with the fuzz, I feel like, not in this good condition. Definitely not for $3.50. So little cat powder box, picked that up. This was a super lucky one. There's so many different variations of this. Now this one's made by Brins Japan. I paid $9.50 for this. I do believe that the average retail price for this one is about $35. That might be on a little bit of the low side. I think it's honest, the honest medium. And then of course, the fact that it's got all its whiskers and its fur is pretty crazy. Normally they are definitely missing a whisker or two. Now, I paid $9.50 for this. I put $35 plus shipping, kind of, which, because of course items in the United States ship $35 and up free in the United States in my shop. So I put my average shipping cost, which is about $11, $10 for something of 2 pounds that's gonna go priority mail. Also by Brins Japan, I picked up these cat with the kittens. I also paid $9.50 for them. I've never seen this set complete like this in this good condition. I mean, it's really clean, and it's bone china, which I found is interesting. Normally these are that more ceramic version. $9.50 is a steal. I wasn't able to find this one complete and sold for comps, but I do believe it will also sell for around $35. I put $35 plus my average shipping charge on it just because it was in such good condition, and usually the cats with the kittens on chain usually sell pretty well. Okay, but also how fun is this set? This set was only $3.50. It's a set of 3 raccoons. Okay, but wait, I can't show them all at one time because I just have too much going on. But there's the larger one. The really funny ones, I think, are the 2 smaller ones. They almost look like sloth bears. They've got really unique expressions. They are bone china, and they are made in Japan. $3.50 is a steal. I can't believe I found them as a complete set like this, especially for that price. And again, the condition is insanely good. These are super fun. I went back and forth if I was going to sell these together or separate. Now, since I did finally realize that they were not technically back and forth and they were 2 just different ones of a similar thing, I did decide to what was that? I did decide to split them up. So it's $6.50 each is what I bought them for. Look at how fun they are. I've never seen this exact one with the cat with the balls. They're so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. There's no maker's mark. They're definitely Japan. I think they might be Yusago. I know I've seen the cat with the umbrella that has a very similar feature and dress on it before. Oh my gosh, my hair is so crazy. But I do not remember the maker off the top of my head. Either way, I do believe that they will sell for around $30 each. I also couldn't resist this little cat planter. I did pay $6.50 for this one as well, even though it will not sell for as much. And the fact that it's got like a little bit of damage around the edge of its wheelbarrow. I just thought it was so unique and so cute. I loved its cute little face. For $6.50, I was like, you know what? I can still make money on this, and I do believe it will still be an easy, quick sell. I also scooped up this little miniature fuzzy ceramic cat who has a really unique look. I love his little black fur. That is definitely real fur. I only paid $3.50 for him. He does look like he was originally part of a set, but what I thought was strange is that he doesn't have the hole for the chain to go around, which I thought he would have. So I'm not really sure what the original set looked like, but for $3.50, I definitely scooped him up. Then I also scooped up this super awesome gum cat. Now, I see these all the time, but I really love the texture, the colors, and the fact that it's got that contrasting kind of gold orange rhinestone eye. For $3.50, I scooped this one up as well. And it's supposed to be, it's like a gum parker, so you literally use it to put your gum in it. I think it's so cute. Next up, I got the Horner's candy tin. Now, I love these. They come in all different images. I think the most common one is the chick. I love, there's the one with the black cat that says good luck. I don't think I've ever actually had the Easter Bunny one. I paid $10 for him. I do believe he'll sell in around $23. The cat one is the most expensive one I've sold, and that one sells for about $25 instantly. So the chick one was a little bit on the lesser side just because it's more common, but especially because the graphics are in such good condition on this one, I do believe it will go to closer to $23, which is on the higher end. Of course, you know, I can't resist anything heart print, especially a Valentine's Day handkerchief. These have been going so incredibly quick this year. I only paid $3.50 for it, so I scooped it up. That's my new rule. If I see a Valentine's Day heart hanky, I'm no longer passing them up if they're under a certain amount, because they have gone almost instantly every time I've posted one so far this year, and I've actually found that they're harder to find this year than they have been in the past. The last thing I got was super weird. I paid $5.50 for them. They're just kind of too weird not to. Yes, they are bloomers. They're from like the 60s, and they're red, white, and blue. Just like a really weird thing. When I looked them up on eBay and sold, they were kind of all over the place in price. I do believe that I'll keep these on the lower end, maybe like $15 or something, just to move them around or whatever. I don't really want to get stuck with them. I just thought they were kind of cool, and for a vintage fashion collector, it would definitely be a unique add-on item in your collection for sure. So that's everything I got. I ended up spending $115. I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m.